Today I'm assembling all 15 cards from Kendra's Card Challenge 22. Hey, it's Beth. Welcome. Today is kind of a part 2 of my Kendra's Card Challenge 22 set using the Stamps of Life Happy Days Ahead collection. And in the previous video I made with this, I walked through the cutting guide, or walked through the PDF, showed you how to use the cutting guide, and then I also assembled sketches 7 and 11 with you. So if you want to see the cutting guide, like how I did that, I will link that in the description box below for you as well. It'll be at the end of the video, and I'll try to remember to put it up here in the cards. But in case I don't, it will be in the description box for you. You can go back and watch how I cut. So I have all like 15 envelopes, and I have gone through, and like I said, I did cut down the 6x6 papers with the cutting guide in my first video, and then in between videos I went through all the sketches and kind of cut down all of the matting layers and gathered all of the sentiments and embellishments that I wanted to use. So today is just kind of like the easy, relaxing part of just assembling the rest of the cards. So if you would like to get some more inspiration on using this quarter's challenge, KCC 22, then stick around and we will start assembling the cards. If this is your first time hearing about Kendra's card challenges, each quarter Cards by Kendra puts together a PDF workbook that helps you take 6x6 sheets of pattern paper and turn them into 15 cards. So I mentioned a bit earlier in this video that I had a kind of part 1 to this where I walk you through the PDF, show you how to use the cutting guide, show you how I choose my papers, and then assemble a couple of cards with you. So if you are new, then be sure to check that video out, and that will help you a lot. In my part 1, I did assemble sketches 7 and 11. I have also put them in this video, so you'll see all 15 cards today. The only difference is for all sketches but 7 and 11, I will have already pulled together my matting layers and embellishments and sentiment. But for sketches and 11, in that video, I kind of show you the process of choosing my matting layers and embellishments and sentiments and all that. So for sketches 7 and 11, they will look a little different assembly-wise because I will be actually cutting down my matte layers and stamping my sentiment and things like that. So if you're wondering why those two sketches look a little different, that is why, but I did want to include them with this so that you can see all 15 cards together and how I actually put them together. I will link the Stamps of Life products in the description box below for you if you're interested. It's a fun little kit, and it was a nice change of pace. I actually made a couple of happy retirement cards because I thought some of their little sentiment stickers worked well for a retirement type of sentiment. So you'll see a variety of cards. And if you need a reminder, I do show you kind of what was included in the kit. So if you need a reminder of what was in the kit, I'll, check out that link for part 1. It did have the die set and things like that. So I did try to make use of the dies, and I'm proud of myself. I actually did some basic ink blending on some panels just to give a background for some of the dies or the stickers. So hope you guys enjoy my set of cards using the Stamps of Life Happy Days Ahead kit. If you have any questions about the assembly or my process or anything, just let me know in the comments below. I'm going to set you to some music and let you enjoy the process, or you could maybe craft along with me. Here are all 15 of the cards that I assembled today. Hope you guys enjoyed the process. As always, I thank you so very much for your time and hope you all have a very crafty day.